Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about operators in Python. Let's start our class. What are operators in Python? Operators are symbols that can perform operations on operands. For example, in the expression a plus b, a and b are operands and plus is the operator. Types of operators: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, identity operators, membership operators. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and floor division. Let's see a Python program demonstrating arithmetic operators. Comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare values and return a Boolean result, true or false. Let's see what are the comparison operators. Equal to, not equal to, greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. Let's see a Python program demonstrating comparison operators. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine two or more conditional statements in Python. The logical operators are and or not. Let's briefly discuss each. And returns true if both operands are true, or returns true if at least one of the operand is true. Not returns true if the operand is false. We will learn more about logical operators and practice using them with if-else statements in our next class. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to perform bit-level operations on binary numbers. The bitwise operators in Python are bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise NOT, bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift. Let's see a Python program demonstrating bitwise. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. They can also perform operations before assigning the value. Here are the most common assignment operators in Python. Assignment: add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, modulus and assign, exponential and assign, floor division and assign. Let's see a Python program demonstrating assignment operators. operators are used to compare the memory locations of two objects. There are two identity operators in Python. Is returns true if both variables point to the same object. Is not returns true if both variables do not point to the same object. Let's see a Python program demonstrating identity operators. Membership operators are used to test if a sequence such as list, tuple, string, or set contains a specified value. The membership operators in Python are in, not in. In returns true if a value is found in the sequence. Not in returns true if a value is not found in the sequence. Let's see a Python program demonstrating membership operators.